All right, to make a GIF, what we want to do is we want to start with a very simple pattern, something with a little bit of animation. Did some searching. I like this guy. We'll kind of make this a Valentine's Day theme that's coming up here in another week or so. And you want to just convey like a singular message. So let's keep it on brand, and we'll go with kind of a love you type statement. And what I want to do, I'm going to just give it a little bit of design interest here. So we'll have that coming across. Let's do some of our basic layering effects. Hollow, I think it's usually best to bring them down here. Now this lower layer we'll make white. Um, we'll need to get to that layer. Let's make him red. There we go. And then we'll go back to position. And now we move that guy in between, and you can see that we've got a decent little view of this guy now. Let's go one step further. Let's add a second word. All right, love you. That kind of goes with the whole Valentine's thought process. And now then, let's see. Let's make him red, keep him on brand. We will duplicate him. Go back to the effects, make it hollow, skinny it up so it matches the other one. And we want to change that font to white as well. Now we can look at this positioning here. And the key we want to do is we want to move the red font down below. And there you go. You've got a nice little design now. Like I said, it's really simple. It should load quickly. The way we make it a GIF is we go up here to download. And instead of selecting MP4, select GIF. Right? And that should download. And as soon as it gets downloaded, you'll be able to like add it back into your emails, your web browsers, the annoying comments area that some people like to add these to. I recommend just sending this off to a friend and enjoying it. But that's just a simple gift that you can make in Canva. And here's what he looks like. That'll be really simple to send to somebody. Thanks. Hope you have a good day.